Now we come to the second step. It's about dimension chart. As we see, this chart is quite similar with the previous one. Actually, the step is very similar as well. The only difference here is the headline. In this chart, there will be dimensions here, and the only difference from the previous chart is that here we fill in the dimension part first as the first step. Then we go to the words to come to mind, this part, then go to the third part section summary, then one sentence statement, the 9 sound bites. But the thing is, what the dimensions and where they come from? The dimensions come from the 3 sources. The first one directly from column summary. Here, just like in the first chart, here for a section summary, or we can select any key points which appear appealing to us, or we can just get some new ideas from previous chart as well. It's from the 3 sources here. Yeah, directly from column summaries from the previous chart, or get some new thoughts come up after the first step, then or pick up some inspiring key points from the previous chart. It's very simple here for this part. Yeah, the difference here is for this one, for the mind flow chart, for this section, the main section here is just any words that come to mind. It doesn't have to be related logically, but in this part, dimension chart, all the contents here are somewhat related with, logically related with each other, because it all has to be related with the content in dimension here. I would like to give an example. Here is an example. It's the first part. It's a mind flow chart here. Then we're going to the second part. It's the dimension part. That means here, for instance, we can just the number goes down here. For instance, we can just simply either let's copy. We think it's a very good dimension here. We can just pick up it and write down here as the first dimension here. Then we can, or we think is we don't have enough employees. Probably employees seems a very good dimension here. Then we can just write the employee here. That's the second source. Oh, we feel like I don't like this any key points here or the section summary. So after I filled all this part, I suddenly realized probably the good dimension would be like the trend or market are very good. I just write down here as very good as dimensions here. Then we can just try to fill in all the things related with market. Trend is like the online shopping has future, for instance. The store shut down in downtown area, for instance. people prefer services here. For instance, as we see, it's all related with trend. So there's some logic connected between the dimensions and the content here. That's different from the previous one. Yeah, it's all about this section 2 and step 2.